Warm greetings everyone. I am Sakshi Mastoi from MPharm Pharmaceutics Department. Welcome to our virtual laboratory and practical work. Friends, due to this COVID-19 pandemic, we all are unable to join college and have to continue learning virtually. But we as pharmacists have practical knowledge as our core. So considering this, our professor Dr. Por Shettiwar sir has come up with an extraordinary vision to perform experiments at our home kitchen with all the ingredients that are available at our home. So today we will be performing one such experiment, which is formulation and development of fruit extract spheres. Now we will see what is required for the experiment. Here I have water, gelatin, fruit extract. It can be any fruit. I have taken beetroot extract. Then I have essence so as to mask the odor of gelatin. I have a 5 ml syringe to drop the spheres, a thermometer to check the temperature of oil. It has to be 0 degrees Celsius. I have taken cold sunflower oil here. You can take any oil which is available. Remember, the oil should be cold. We have a strainer to strain the oil and separate the spheres. These are the ingredients and their quantities that I have taken in order to make the spheres. Now that we have collected the requirements and know the quantities of each ingredient, we will go for making of the spheres. Here in a vessel I have added water and beetroot extract. To it I will add the gelatin powder. Please note that first I have added only 2 grams of gelatin, but later I had to add more quantity to make it a jelly. Stir this mixture uniformly. Now turn on the gas and stir it continuously so that no lumps are formed. Take care that the gelatin does not stick to the vessel. Stir it continuously until it starts to boil. Now take a water bath and put the glass of cold oil in it and check the temperature. Get the gelatin mixture in your syringe and start pouring it drop by drop in the cold oil. You should see that there is no aggregation and add the drops carefully. Here you can see how the drops are settling down to the bottom. Now take a strainer and strain the oil from the spheres. Wash the spheres with cold water only. Please note that you should not use warm water, otherwise it will start to melt. All the oil will get removed by washing it for 2 to 3 times. Now you can remove the spheres on a tissue paper so that all the water is absorbed and you will get the nice shiny beetroot extract spheres. These are the fruit extract spheres. Talking about the challenges that came to my way while performing this experiment was, I had to adjust the quantity of gelatin. First I had bought loose gelatin, but the jelly was not forming from it, so I bought packeted gelatin. And while doing this all sphere formation process, it has to be in cold conditions only so that it does not start to melt. Now I would like to thank Satish sir for this great experience for us to perform practicals at home, which has also provoked our minds to do some new formulations with these ingredients. Thank you sir for this new concept. Happy learning.